Number 1, it says the Gator girls is a soccer team. The possible number of goals the Gator girls will score in a game, and their probabilities are shown in the table below. In part A, it says find the probability that the Gator girls will score more than 2 goals. So we are going to take any of the number of goals that is more than 2, which is 3 and 4 goals, since those are more than 2, and we're going to add their probabilities together. Okay, so you can think of it as 11 plus 3 is 14. So 11 hundredths plus 3 hundredths is 14 hundredths. In B, it says at least 2 goals, which means 2 or more. So we're going to take the probability for 2, 3, and 4 and add all of those together. And the probability for at least 2 goals is 0.47. If you were to change that to a percent, it would be 47%. C says, do not score exactly 3 goals. So we can either add up the probabilities for 0, 1, 2, and 4, and skip the 3 because that's the one we don't want, or we can remove that from the whole probability, which is 1 for 100%. And we're going to remove the piece that we do not want, which leaves us with 0.89. If you add 0.22, 0.31, 0.33, and 0.03, you will also get the same probability. Number 2. They gave us this circle, ooh, that's too big, with red, blue, and green. In A, it says, what is the probability that the pointer stops in the red region? The red takes up half of the circle. So we would say the probability for landing in red is 1 out of 2, or 1/2. Then in B, we have this table. Red, green, blue. The probability for red, we already discovered, was 1/2. Green takes up 1/4 of a circle, and so does blue. Part C says find the probability that the pointer stops on green or blue. We are going to combine the probability of green with the probability of blue, which is 2 out of 4, or if you reduce that, it's 1/2. For part D, find the probability that the pointer does not stop in green. We can either add red and blue together, or we can remove the green piece that we do not want. Well, 1 whole is the same as 4/4. And if we remove 1/4 from it, we'll be left with 3/4, which is the same as adding 1/2 plus 1/4.